Okay, very good morning. Children, in the previous lesson we discussed few problems on profit and loss. Today let us discuss one problem on discount. Okay, discount, what is discount, how to find discount percent, what is the formula. Already I have discussed in the previous lessons. Let us solve a problem. Suppose a question is, you see, Preeti allows 8% discount. She is giving a discount of 8. This is the discount percent. On the MP means your marked price or list price. Marked price of the suit, you see. So what is the marked price of the suit? Suit means suiting, you know. What is the marked price of the suit? It is not given. But what is the marked price of the suit? She is allowing 8% discount, okay. Even though she allows 8% discount, still she is making a profit of how much? 15%, you see. She is making a profit of 15% on selling every suit or each suit. On selling one suit, she is earning a profit of 15%. Okay, by giving a discount 8%. That means you see in this question we are given discount 8%. You see, the profit percent, discount percent and profit percent both are given. Profit percent is given 15%. Then, if her gain over the sale of a suit is 156. You see, this is the gain. Gain means profit. This is the profit percent. She is getting a profit of 15% on the sale of each suit. But this is not the profit amount. The profit amount is given 156. See, so we are given the profit or gain equal to rupees 156. Then what is the MP? Find the MP of the suit. So at what price the suit is marked, that we have to find out. So here Preeti is allowing 8% discount percent given. After even giving 8% discount, she is earning a profit of what percent? 15%. Profit percent is given. Then the gain on each suit is given 156. Okay, over the sale of a suit. Yes, on selling one suit, she is getting a profit of rupees 156. Then what is the price at which each suit is marked? We have to find out marked price. See how to do this. In order to find the marked price, you see, we need two things. What is the formula for marked price? You recall. What is the formula for your marked price? You see, if you know the selling price and discount percent, if these two are given, if you are given the selling price and discount what? Percent, then you can easily calculate the marked price, you see. We can easily compute the marked price if we are given the selling price and discount, okay. So in discount percent, in this particular problem we are given the discount percent but we do not know what is the selling price. So first we have to find out selling price. Now the point is, how will we find selling price? See, what is the profit percent given here? See children, the profit percent is 15%. Now if this profit is 15%, this profit is definitely on which amount? Already I have told you many times. Profit and loss, profit percent and loss percent, they are always calculated on the cost price of the article, not the selling price. So this 15% profit will be on the cost price. That means you see 15%, you see this 15% profit, 15% of CP, and we are given the profit amount, you see, profit earned by Preeti on selling each suit is given. So that 15% profit, 15% on which amount? 15% of CP. This is the profit now. Profit equal to 15% of CP. 15% of CP is given rupees how much? 156. See, 15% of CP is 156. Then you can easily compute what is the cost price. Because if you do not find the cost price, we cannot find selling price. Okay. So our aim is to find selling price. Because if we find selling price, then only we can find the what? Mark price. Okay. Now to find selling price, we first need to find the cost price. So how to get the cost price? In this question, we are given profit equal to 15%. So this 15% profit must be on the cost price of the suit. Okay. So 15% of CP, it is already given 156. So find out what is CP. So 15% means it is 15 by 100 into Cp equal to 156. Now you cancel it 3 by 20, you see. So Cp will be equal to 156 into 20 by 3. You know how to solve. See, 20. 3 by 20, it will go to the right hand side, it will be 20 by 3. Now you cancel 3 5 is 15 2 52. You see. So 52 into 2. 52 into 2 is how much? 2 2 is 4, 1040. You see. Now we got the cost price. You see. We got the cost price of the suit. It is 1040. Okay. So we got the cost price. Now after getting cost price, you see. After getting the cost price of each suit or one suit, what is the profit given? You see 156. So now we can easily find the selling price. You know what is the formula for selling price? If cost price and profit are given, you see we got the cost price, we are already given the profit. So how to get the selling price? To get the selling, what is the formula? The formula is selling price equal to cost price plus profit. So write down, therefore find the selling price. Selling price equal to Cp plus P, and Cp is how much? It is 1040 plus profit is how much? 156. 156. So if 6 5 4 is 9 1, you see. It is rupees 1196. You see, 1196. This is the selling price of this suit. Okay. So now we got the selling price, and what is the discount percent? The discount percent is 8 given. Therefore, now you can easily find what is the mark price. Therefore, you see what is the mark price of each suit. What is the formula? SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. You apply the formula. SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. So what is the SP? SP is 1196. 1196 into 100. Okay. Then SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. 100 minus 8. So this will be 1196 into 100 divided by 92. Now you do the computation, do the calculation, do the simplification to find the value. Okay. So you have to do cancellation. Okay. Now you cancel it by 4, suppose, because 92 is divisible by 4. 4 to the 8, 1 4, 23. It will be 25. Now divide this one by 23. 23, 5 is 115, 4, 6, 52, you see, 52. So 52 and 25 you multiply. 52 into 25. 25 2 is 50, 0 carry 5. 25 5 is 125 plus 5, 130, you see. You see, this will be the mark price of the jeans, you see. Of the suit. This will be the mark price of the suit, which Priti was selling at a discount of what? 8%. Okay. So this will be the required mark price. See children, in this particular problem, what we did, our aim was to find the mark price of the suit. So to find the mark price, first we have to find the selling price, and to find the selling price, first we have to find Cp. So logically you have to proceed. So you have to think what formula I will put, what I want to find, what is my aim. My aim is to find out the MP. We are given the discount percent. If I could calculate what is the selling price, then only I will be able to compute the mark price. Then I will think how to compute the selling price. So you have to use formula as well as unitary method in almost all problems in the chapter profit, loss and discount. Children, I hope you understood this problem. We will discuss more problems in the next class. Okay, thank you.